Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting devices ready. Power on the BPL TV and the phone, then open the BPL TV app on your phone. Make sure both devices are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. This is essential because casting uses local discovery. Once done, enable any built-in casting feature on the TV. If none exists, plug in a compatible HDMI casting dongle and set the TV input. Finally, grant the app permissions to access the local network and media files so discovery will work. Now begin the cast from the phone. In the BPL TV app, tap the cast or screen share icon and wait for device names to appear. Choose the BPL TV listing that matches your model. If a PIN or pairing code appears on the TV, type it into your phone to pair. After selection, decide whether to play a video file, stream an app, or mirror your screen. Pick the right option and then set playback quality and volume. Keep the app foregrounded while initializing the stream. To finish, confirm the stream plays smoothly, check audio sync and resolution, then use the app stop or disconnect when done. If casting fails, restart the phone, TV, or router. This clears discovery issues. Also verify the TV firmware and the app are updated, and temporarily disable VPNs or strict firewalls that block local discovery. As a final fallback, plug a laptop or phone into the TV via HDMI adapter to mirror content while you diagnose wireless problems. This often resolves urgent playback needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.